Hi, everybody. We're continuing with the series of Catalyst, and Juan has some things prepared for us. Good morning, Juan. What can you tell us about the web services today?
Okay, hello, Miguel. Catalyst and web services. Yes. Um, One of the main strengths of Catalyst is the possibility to consume web services and publish that information or interact with that information through your Liferay portal. So, what we are going to do today is that we are going to consume a REST web service. So, let me log in to Liferay and I'm going to create a new site. This morning, I wanted to list all of the projects that are stored in our Redmine in the Liferay portal. And I said, what will be the easiest way to do it? And I immediately thought, okay, Redmine has a REST API. And what I'm going to do today is that I'm going to use Redmine's REST API to list the different projects that we have as an organization in our web portal. So let me create a site here. I will create a blank site. It will be named Project Management, and it will be a private site. Save, and I have my site here. I will go to the site pages, and in the private pages of the site, so that only logged in user can see this, I will add a page projects with a one column layout. Say add page. The page is there, and I will do a view pages in a different tab, and I will open Catalyst Xmodeler. Okay, the page is there. Okay, so what we will do right now is that we're going to create a REST-backed data definition, and we will store it in a package named Redmine. Okay, and it will be the project data definition. Great. So the first thing that we need to do when we are going to configure a REST-based data definition is define the base URI of the REST API we are going to use. I have it somewhere over here, and I will use authentication. This API uses basic authentication, and I'll log in with my user. At this point, I'm going to save so that Catalyst knows the credentials to connect to the REST API. This you don't have to worry about. It's stored. Everything is encrypted in a secure way. And now that I have this, I will. Oh, sorry. Here I have a small error. The base API does not include the project.json. Right now, I'll save again and I'll execute the query. Now, what happened is that Catalyst consumed the web service, and based on the JSON response, it created all the structures that we need. Let's open a different tab and we will consume this API directly from the browser so that you can see exactly what we have. The Redmine REST API gives us a list of all the projects that we have created here. And at the end, we will see that the API provides us the total count of records, the offset, so where are we going to start retrieving data, and the limit, which is the number of records that will be retrieved when we call the API. So here, after executing the query, we have Catalyst proposes us the data structures that need to be created in order to interact with this web service. And we have to define which is the root data structure that we are going to use. In this case, it's the project data structure. and we will just say create the data structures. It's there. Okay, so now we have project and we have custom fields. If we go and see the definitions, we go to the data structure tab. For project, we have a certain number of fields, and we can notice that we have the custom fields field, which is of type data structure, and it's a relationship to the data definition custom fields that was also created by Catalyst. But for the time being, let's go back to the project data definition and to the data source configuration. And what we're going to do now, give Catalyst enough information to retrieve this list of projects. So what we are going to do is that we are going to add an operation, and it will be a list operation. We will provide the URI that we want to use here. We will provide exactly the same we used to create the query to start with. And we will say that the method is get, and we will specify where should the data be retrieved, and it will be retrieved in the project's data structure. We have this, we add it, we save, and if everything is correct, we can start interacting with the web service right now. So what we will do now is that we will go to the Views tab of DX Modeler, and we are going to add a table. We will add the table projects, which has already all of these fields. We will not show the custom fields here, so we will remove them very easily. We will not show the description, and we're going to move the ID to be the first column on the table. The name on the project will be the second column of the table. We will show the status, the creation date, and we will remove the identifier also. Let's save our table, and we will go to the data management interface, and we will configure the projects table to be shown here. And when we come back, as you can see, we already have all the projects here. And that's how easy it is to create or to consume a web service from Catalyst. We did it for a REST web service, and doing it for a SOAP web service is almost the same. In the next video, I will show you how to improve the visuals of this table and how to position it in our website. Thank you very much.
Excellent. Thank you, Juan. See you next time.
Bye-bye.